Information Minister Michael Mackey briefing the press on Monday. Photo: Radio Tamazuj. May 27, 2025 Juba City. The arbitration proceedings between the government of South Sudan and Vivacell, a Lebanese telecommunications company, have officially concluded with the International Chamber of Commerce (ICC), reducing the compensation owed by South Sudan from $2.9 billion to $48.5 million. The dispute started in March 2018, when the South Sudanese government suspended Vivacell mobile network operations. Authorities accused the company of operating without a valid license and demanded $66 million in unpaid license fees and taxes. Vivacell, owned by Lebanon's Fadak Investment Group, had been operating under a license obtained from Khartoum before South Sudan's independence in July 2011. The company maintained that the license was still valid and claimed it had been granted tax exemptions by the South Sudanese authorities. The South Sudanese government responded by allocating over $4 million to fund legal efforts to contest the ruling. Speaking at a press conference on Monday, Information Minister Michael Mackey announced the outcome of the case, confirming that the ICC had reduced the compensation to $48.5 million. He praised the country's legal team for their commitment and resilience throughout the legal battle, describing the outcome as a significant victory for South Sudan. Ladies and gentlemen, the main objective of calling you today, Monday, is to inform you that the Vivacell case is over. And as of today, we will not be talking about the Vivacell case any longer, but we will be talking about other issues, he said. The team of lawyers worked in silence. The lawyers have been working together with sacrifices and sometimes paying their own money to attend a sitting somewhere. And these are the people whom we should appreciate. We have not yet paid them up now, but they decided to continue with their work, Minister Mackey added. What remains are minor administrative matters that will be addressed during the implementation of the award. As a human rights activist, I am deeply concerned about the outcome of this case, which saw the claim drop from $2.9 billion to $48.5 million. This dramatic reduction suggests the case may have been influenced by the emotional reactions of senior government officials, particularly Hun. Michael Mackey himself, Monyang charged, Mackey should be examined by the national parliament. That is, if we had a functioning one. The $2.9 billion claim was the result of his emotional response. Regardless of the consequences for the country, I strongly urge a thorough investigation into his role, so the public can understand the full context of the court proceedings, he said. We may see more legal challenges in the future if such emotional responses to national issues continue. Some officials clearly need training in emotional intelligence to make more rational and informed decisions.
Rajangone benenong ye arang misalat ka kornin dicho ka sayang waping take a network misal Vivacell let ka South Sudan one and network mana and network elken network tilat ka South Sudan tin moy yuway ka service ko bunaway keja and network mana chi kam de chete way kana kuma si gwanda man mela onara si ka waikana kuma ka korko me si waikana kuma si ka o nyam jilong ko de ko lu ko de kwan chung ga de na chenga ka korko me si ko nyam jilong ta raiden chalat me cha raiden chalat ka ta goinga ka an mukta ke company dung Vivacell network Jenti janga South Sudan ka korun tomwan. Jaban ka South Sudan ne kerwan mi nanana long chirke 2006 ako bane ko 2025 tama terai South Sudan. Muji South Sudan ga service ka kiroch. Kejan gwal mo ka lo lada ka South Sudan ala yo lat euro ka ping ka kuma South Sudan. Kakora chai bangwanyan wo Indian point ay chakan te yo tin la yo tila kam ko kuma company chaka European. Kakora lamone chi Vivacell che la dungwano an yo ka dialan ka European kalan kete yo runu tin tilat ka gan dial chaka European. Ka kuya mo kan katadian nyam di long ne chara jamo kuya lok wrong one ka talk right in time ke ka car lock Chaje kono jibi company Vivacell teni jan ka chong jan chajole jaka kuma South Sudan. Ko chajole jaka kuma South Sudan chagwi jen wo ba company dung Vivacell ba jalwa ti million ti jan wan badak dollar kuma South Sudan. Araja mo cha kwedo no la cha kuma South Sudan cha kwedo be company dung Vivacell en che cut out ke cha mo go no jibulat ka South Sudan cha kwedo be kam be jalwa ti kiniti million ti jan badak jan wan badak bagal wet Vivacell cha raja mo cha mo penye no yo to ga ti kuma South Sudan be kam company dung Vivacell. Si ma kwelo chero into mala long ka kor ke me ka right nuo kano rama ba kwet ka ne ana be yo bagamun jen take confident midi long and na kwelo teno we jeno baga kwet chong ke bukuma ba win katar lok en lok ka ja kene company dung Vivacell chero nga de long no talang biare kwide dunon ta ka kora me chara je me cha kweto chaje kano kuma che company dung Vivacell che jelaka cha company dung Vivacell chaje gala taladur katin chero dian lat kendial raja moja raja go ne bine tmbie katubna ko bia teliangten no mo misero lat ko kor nindang jo ken chua kanta me cha raja mo cha kwet cha kuma South Sudan kwedo be company dung Vivacell belwa yoti million ti jan mwan do badak aja raja go ne de ne nong ye bia temal